Hello viewers, first of all I welcome all of you, and it is the part 2 section of describe a place you visited that has been affected by pollution. In this section I'm just gonna read this cue card, means a simple answer, and after that I will read the mini story. Mini story is for fluency purpose. Okay, so here is our sample answer. Thank you for letting me talk about this topic. Last year, I visited to Gangakhed with my friend through train, and we thought we would enjoy our trip, and this was a beautiful place to visit as per my father, because when he was child he used to visit Gangakhed for picnic and spend holidays, and after that so we made a plan to go over there. To our surprise, that place was severely affected by the pollution, and instead of enjoying our trip, we cut it short and returned home immediately. It was early summer last year, and visiting a place near the Ganga River, which is surrounded by natural beauty and recommended by my father, was an excellent idea. At last, at that time, I'm sure my father had no idea about the severity of pollution over there now and how things have become worse with time. The water pollution was quite severe there, and the black and oily elements that were floating on the water created a shocking scene. Uncontrolled waste management, toxic elements from factories and industries, motorized vehicles running on the water, and the lack of poor maintenance of the riverside are the main reasons the water has got polluted. More shockingly, the air pollution was also noticeable. I saw many industries and factories that were exhausting black gases, and that has made the air polluted more than any other part I know about. Uncontrolled urbanization, the establishment of few factories and industries without proper planning, lack of strict policies, and laziness of government officers are the main reason for increasing pollution in our country. I wish this will stop and we will be conscious enough not to destroy our own inhabitant. So it is the simple answer. Now it's time to work on our mini story. Mini story we use to get fluency. That is it. There is no other purpose to use this kind of mini story. When I when I did when did I visit Gangakhed? I visited Gangakhed last year. Did I visit to Gangakhed? Yes, I visited to Gangakhed. Where did I visit to? I visited to Gangakhed. Did I visit to Gangakhed with my friend? Yes, I did. I visited to Gangakhed with my friend. Did I visit to Gangakhed with my father? No, 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 no. I didn't visit to Gangakhed with my father. I visited to Gangakhed with my friend. Yes, but my father suggested me. But I didn't visit with my father. With whom I visited to Gangakhed? With my father. I visited. No, with my father. No, 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 no. With my friend. I visited to Gangakhed with my friend. Did I travel through train? Yes, I traveled through train. How I visited Gangakhed? I visited Gangakhed through train. Means I went over there through train. Did I travel through bus? No, I didn't travel through bus. Did I and my friend we both visit to Gangakhed through train? Yes, we both. We both did. Me and my friend we both visit to Gangakhed through train. Who thought we would enjoy our trip? I thought we would enjoy our trip. Would me and my friend think that we would enjoy our trip? Yes, definitely. Me and my friend, we both thought like we would enjoy our trip. Was this a beautiful place to visit? Yes, this was a beautiful place to visit. Who told me that was a beautiful place for visit? My father. My father told me like Ganga Khed was a beautiful place for visit. Did my father tell me about the beauty of that place? Yes, my father told me about the beauty of that place. Did my friend's father tell me about the beauty of that place? No, 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 not my friend's father. It's my father. My father told me about the beauty of that place, not my friend's father. Who used to visit Ganga Khed? My father. My father used to visit Ganga Khed when he was a kid. Did my father Did my friend's father used to visit Ganga Khed? No, 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 not my friend's father. My father. Did my father used to visit Ganga Khed? Yes, my father used to visit Ganga Khed. Why did my father visit place in his childhood? To spend their holidays, like to enjoy their picnics. So they used to visit Ganga Khed in his childhood. Did he visit to spend holidays? Yes, he visited to spend their holidays. Did he visit for a picnic? Yes, he visited for a picnic. Did me and my friend make a plan to go over there? Yes, we made a plan to go over there. Means I and my friend, yani me and my friend, we both made a plan to go and visit Ganga Khed. Where we were we surprised after hitting the destinations? Yes, definitely we were surprised after hitting the destination. Was that place severely affected by pollution? Yes, definitely. That place was severely affected by the pollution. How that place was affected? That place was affected by the pollution. Was that affected by the pollution? Yes, that place was affected by the pollution. Did we enjoy? No, we didn't enjoy. Did we cut cut it short? Yes, we cut it short. Means we returned back home immediately. Did we enjoy or cut it short at Ganga Khed? Yes, definitely we cut it short at Ganga Khed. Did we return home immediately? Definitely we returned home immediately. Who returned home immediately? We, me and my friend, we both returned home immediately. Was it early summer last year? Yes, it was early summer last year. What was last year? Early summer. It was early summer last year. Is Ganga Khed covered by the natural beauty? Yes, Ganga Khed covered by the natural beauty, but not now. In past, definitely it would be covered by the natural beauty, but now, no. What is covered by the natural beauty? Ganga Khed. Did my father have any idea about the severity of pollution in that city? No, I don't think so. He had any kind of idea about the severity of the pollution in that city. Who did not have any idea about the severity of pollution in the city? My father. My father didn't have any idea about the severity of the pollution in that city. Do things become worse with time? Definitely. With time, everything become worse. Who come worse with time? Things. Become worse with time. Does weather become worse with time? No, not weather, things. Was the water pollution quite severe there? Yes, definitely. Water pollution was very severe. I can say very polluted. Where was the water pollution quite severe? At Ganga Khed, because we visited over there to spend our holidays. That's why we know that water pollution was quite severe over there. Were black and oily elements floating on the were white black and oily elements floating on the water? Yes, definitely. Black and oily elements were floating on the water. Each and everywhere where I saw, I was easy to identify the surface of oil and black water. Was it a shocking scene? Yes, it was a shocking scene. Was the river well maintained by the local authorities? No, the river was not well maintained by the local authorities. What was not well maintained by the local authority? River means the cleanliness of the river was not maintained by the local authority. Is the river maintained now by the local authorities? I don't know because we came back. I don't know about the pollution right now over there. But yes, in past the condition was worse, and the local authorities like they were sleeping. They were just lazy on that time. Was air pollution not noticeable? No, it's noticeable. Air pollution was also noticeable. What was noticeable? Air pollution. Was air pollution noticeable or water cooler noticeable? Air pollution. Air pollution was noticeable. Did I see many industries producing air pollution? Yes, I saw many industries producing air pollution. What did I see? I saw many industries were producing air pollution, or many industries produced air pollution on that time. Does that city have lack of strict policies right now? Maybe they have, but in past that city had lack of strict policies. Does that city have all strict policies? I don't know now again, but in the past they had not any strict policies. What does that city lack? Strict policies. Are government officers active? No, they are not active. Oh, are. I don't know right now, but in past they were not. But right now, I don't know. Are government officers lazy? In past, definitely they were lazy. But right now, maybe they are active because of the environment, because the pollution. Maybe somehow they woke up from their dream sleep. Does laziness of government officers increase the pollution in in our country? Yes, definitely. The laziness is the main reason of the government officers in the increase of pollution in our country. What will I wish? I wish this is going to stop one day. Will I wish this is going to stop one day? Yes, I will wish this is going to stop one day. Will we be conscious enough not to destroy our own inhabitant? Yes, definitely. We will be conscious enough not to destroy our own inhabitant. If we will not struggle to stop pollution, then definitely one day our inhabitant definitely will vanish. Thank you, friends. Now I'm going to end this video and I will see you in our next topic, which is describe a friend or person who is a good leader. Bye bye. Take care.